So people call him Govinda. Why did the name Govinda came to him? How the name Govinda came to him? There is an interesting story. So when Lord Srinivasa was residing in Tirumala hills, so one day he went to sage Agastya Muni and he said, my dear Munindra, since I am a Gruhastha, I am married to Padmavati, I have to maintain myself. So give me one cow as donation so that we will be able to manage ourselves with our livelihood. So then Munindra, because he is a great devotee and he has many cows and he could understand Srinivasa, so he said, my dear Lord, you know all the rules and regulations as per Vedic system. If I have to give charity, both wife and husband should be there. Just husband alone I cannot give the gift. So next time when you are coming, please come with your wife. At that time I will give the best of the cows for you. So Srinivasa went away, laughing, thinking that he is playing around me. He wanted one more time for me to come to his ashrama. So these devotees are also very intelligent. They want more association from the Lord. So after some days, again Srinivasa came with Padmavati this time to the ashrama. At that time, by chance, Agastya Muni had gone out for some other purpose. So the disciples were there. So he came in front of the disciples and disciples asked him, my dear Lord, what we can do for you? So you are here, how we can serve you? So he said, no. Last time when I had come, Agastya Muni had promised me that he will give me a cow. So I should come with my wife. Today I had come with my wife. So please give me one cow, I will take it and go away. The disciple said, no sir, I cannot execute on my behalf. Let him come. Please come some other time when our Guru is there in the ashrama. Then he said, no, you give one of the cows because he had promised me. You can, when he comes, you can inquire with him. No sir, because my Guru had not instructed me. I cannot do this task. If he had instructed me, I would have handed over. But because he had not instructed me, I cannot go beyond my Guru. So I cannot take independent decisions and all. Please come some other time when my Guru has come. So then Srinivasa started walking along with Padmavati towards Tirumala. So within few minutes, Agastya Muni came back. Then he heard from his disciple that Lord Srinivasa had come with Padmavati and he was wanting a cow. So immediately he went to the Goshala, picked one cow and started running behind the Lord. The Lord was walking such a faster pace, he had to run. So then he started calling, Swami, Govu Inda. Means in Telugu means, cow, please take. I am bringing the cow for you. Govu Inda, Swami, Govu Inda, Govu Inda. He was calling in a long way for this time. So the more he was coming closer, the Lord was not turning back. Lord was not waiting for him. Lord was walking. So he is saying, Swami Govinda, Swami Govinda, Swami Govinda. It became Swami Govinda, Swami Govinda, Swami Govinda. Like that, finally when he almost reached the Lord, then Lord turned back and started laughing. And he said, I had come your ashrama but you are not there. Swami, please take this cow and make my life successful. Then Lord said, since you have been calling me Swami Govinda, Swami Govinda, from today my name is Govinda. And since you have chanted 108 times, you have pleased me very much. So anyone who chants my name Govinda 108 times while climbing the Tirumala hill, they will be getting my mercy and your mercy also. So in that way, the speciality Lord's name came into picture. Govinda came into picture. Like that, technically there are so many stories like that which will enchant us and which will be like satisfying to our ear and heart, so that we will be able to get immersed into the pastimes of the Lord, get lost into this Lord's Leelas, and so that we become somehow or other Krishna conscious.